Hi everybody, Dmitry with you today. Nissan Murano 2011. Whatever years, I think from 2009 and higher, but it's probably the same thing for the earlier versions of Murano. I'm changing oil. It's a simple stuff, but anyways, just a quick one. There was on the oil pan. There was a 14 millimeter bolt right there. You're going to take it off. 14 millimeter. Take it off. Open the cap, the oil cap, and so the air gets in and drain everything. I did already. Your oil filter is going to be on the right side, on the front right side, on the front passenger side. There is a plastic. I already removed it, but I want to show you. So there it is. You're just going to take the clips off, like 1, 2, 3. There was like 4 clips, and you're going to take this off. And your filter will be just right there. So I already removed my old one, but it just removes with the hand. Undo the old one. Make sure you put that something underneath the container to collect the oil, because it will pour more oil out of the oil filter. You put the new one on. Don't forget to lubricate the ring on the oil filter. Just put some oil, just a hand tight, and I didn't even put the car on a jack. I just turned the wheel right, all the way to the right, and it's enough space to get in there, remove the plastic, and it's enough space to crawl underneath, take the bolt off to drain the oil. So you put your filter on back on, the new one. You put your plastic back where it's supposed to be. It's very hard with one hand, but you're gonna put the clips back where they used to be, and fill up with oil. Check with the dipstick, and there you go. That's all you need to do. I'll see you next time.